I won't say there's a menu and there's a formula for how it happens, but I would say that from my experience, you really have to take this approach where leadership is driving, but grassroots has some quick victories and it sticks. I'll tell you the importance of the top down. I'll give you one a real life example that's happened time and time again for us. In our paper mills, we have engineers that have been around for 40 years, and we have engineers that have been around for 4 months. Okay? The transformational change can come from either of those camps and anywhere in between. Yet, traditionally, these are fiefdoms. These are tribal knowledge led. And so if you don't have senior management that breaks down the barriers that allows the young and uninformed of the way we do things, but also allows the tenured, more experienced people to try things that are new, then all of a sudden you will have command and control, hierarchical, and you will suffocate some of the greatest creativity that's available.
Okay, cool. And now there's a lot, the way you describe this sounds like cultural issues abound in this, and you've done a number of different things to try to get past those cultural issues. Can you describe that?
Oh, certainly. In the days when we started, even back in Rock 10 days, we established recurring discussions with the leadership of all paper mills, the division, and we created a competition. And we basically said, there are no rules to this. We are looking for value. And anyone that can demonstrate value such that we can leverage, we had 13 paper mills at the time. I think today they might have 36. If we could demonstrate leverage across those mills, there was reward. There was financial reward, incentive, but more than anything else, there was expectation. The same was true at Evergreen Packaging. We said, look, we've got a couple of paper mills. We understand all the reasons why things cannot happen. We're not interested in the cannot. We're only interested in the what can you do. Well, this has to be led by the mill management. And in fact, it has been. And then slowly but surely, people realize this is the way we're going to work, and it catches on. And once it catches on, it becomes a systemic part of culture. There's an untold number of opportunities where the cash register could just keep ringing. Just keep ringing the cash register, more money to the bottom line. You'll never stop.